Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next. Hi, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today is a very, very short video. I just want to take the time to thank you. I've now reached 100 subscribers, and down below, please pick a number if you're a subscriber between 1 and 100, and I will be doing another video next week. So this is Friday, July 9th, so I'll be doing it next Friday, and I will be announcing the winner. I'm going to come online and I'm going to do a random number generator. Again, whoever picks the number that's closest, whether if it's over, under, or exactly on that number, is going to be the winner. They're going to get a 1-year subscription to either Motor Trend, Car and Driver, or Road and Track. I believe you have to be in the US to get those, but thank you for my international subscribers as well. But anybody in the US, you get those as an option. So thank you again. I appreciate it, and we're just going up from here. Thank you so much, and have a good one.